It's fucking bullshit.
I'm a Jew, he a Jew, she a Jew, we some Jews. Wouldn't you like to be a Jew too? Only if you're in the bloodline.
See how it's going all this time. Watch when I walk in here.
Got the eyes.
It's really happening, folks.
Back to shore.
See?
If I fall off, I yell, wipe out! I love surfing.
Weird, I know.
Surfers are always perfect. Papa wants to find Tiki Beach.
Hold on.
Oh man, this stuff is really happening, man. I'm not playing
I know
with you.
Tiki Beach is because I'm awesome.
Right now, I'm really not, man.
Come on, dude, let's go find Tiki Beach.
Someone needs to, that hair's
Sun,
done.
sand, and surf. Adapt.
I don't know, man.
That's pretty loud,
What
man,
could it
folks.
be? What if it just does that forever and makes us go crazy?
Oh man, this isn't Tiki Beach. I know that's
Over here and one of the other places too.
I'm got to see that.
I don't know what's going on, folks. I don't even know why I'm up this late. But this is weird, man.
Go turn it down.
You just do it out of nowhere.
I got a surfboard in the back. I know
This is gonna be exclusive, man.
But I wonder which way I should go.
Crew TV Elite, this is real life. This is really happening, man.
Pass that light
Hell, you need a very hearing person over here. Can't tell what fucking hair it is.
Crazy Crew Entertainment, man. Crew or Die videos and ain't nothing after that. You dig? You beezies?